Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint few more Christmas card. These are last minute Christmas card, very easy and beginner friendly. I'm using 300 GSM watercolor sheet and I'm going to paint few simple berries, leaves and Christmas bubbles, and I'm using this size 7 round brush for all the berries and leaves and bubbles as well. So let's start with the first greeting card or first Christmas card. So I'm going to fill the upper area with the berries and leaves, and then we're going to paint bubble. So for the berries I'm using orange and red color. So let's start with the orange first. So I'm creating these small dots or round shape kind of structure to create berries. These are very simple berries. You don't have to do anything fancy in here to create these. Just create in groups. The only thing you need to consider here is just leave a negative space in between. As you can see, there is a small white space in each and every berries, so leave that kind of space so that it will look like a berry. Otherwise a solid berry does not look that great. So leave a particular negative space in between around each and every berry. Now do the same thing with the red color, and you can also do a little bit of overlapping between red and orange. You can paint this with any composition. You don't have to copy mine. I'm creating 3 group of berries. You can create 2, 4, 5, whatever you like. And then with the help of green color, add stems and create group of berries or attach those stems and berries together. Now with the help of light green color, so I have mixed yellow and green together, more yellow and less green to make it little lighter, and create 1 stroke leaves like this. You can also create holly leaves or pine leaves as well if you want to make it more Christmassy, but I want to keep it little simple for the beginners, so I'm not doing anything complex in here. So I'm keeping it very simple. But if you are comfortable doing pine tree or doing pine leaf or holly leaf or those kind of things, you can definitely add those things. I'm adding only 1 stroke leaves with the help of light color, and then with the help of dark green color I'm repeating the same process around the berries. And then we are going to create 2 bubbles in here. But if you are not comfortable creating bubbles, you can repeat the same process towards downside as well, and that's it. You are done with your greeting card. That is also you can do, but for now let's create 2 bubbles in here. So 1 here, and let's create 1 little bit lower to the first one here. Add cap and 1 string. Now with the help of clean water, just fill the area, the circle, make it little wet. And then with the help of different color of your choice, you can fill the circle. So I'm using purple color first. Here I'm using wet on wet technique. While filling this particular circle, make sure you're also leaving a negative space in between. As you can see, I'm not filling the whole circle, I'm keeping the white space as well. So please keep this space, this is absolutely important. You can keep the shade little lighter, little darker, you don't have to keep the shades throughout the same. That's why I'm using wet on wet technique. For the second one, I'm using blue color. Again, repeat the same process. Leave negative space. And then other detailing with the help of dark brown color. And then add string. You can add multiple ornaments, you can keep it only one, you can keep it up to one, you can keep the size smaller than this, you can keep size little bigger than this. It's absolutely up to you. Now to make it little glittery, I'm using metallic color, but this is absolutely optional. If you don't have metallic color, keep it like that with the help of watercolor like I have shown you. If you have metallic color, just fill the area with the metallic color. But do not overdo that particular negative space, that is absolutely important. This metallic color is optional. If you don't have metallic color, don't do it. It's absolutely fine. And then with the help of green color, I'm adding few more leaves. These metallic effect we can see in a particular angle. That's why you cannot see the reflection of these metallic colors. And we are almost done with the first Christmas card. Now let's write something in here. You can write anything, whatever you like. I'm writing Merry Christmas. Quite simple. Do it with pencil if you're not comfortable doing directly with the pen. And then trace it with the calligraphy pen like I am doing. If you don't want to write anything, do not write anything. Write something inside this particular greeting card, that is also fine. These things are totally up to you. And we are done with our first card. Now let's move to the second one. So for the second one, we are going to repeat the same kind of process what we did in the first one. The only difference is the composition. So let's create 2 more bubbles in here. These are not hanging, these are in the floor. So 2 bubbles, and we are going to repeat the same process to paint these bubbles as well. So repeat same process, wet on wet technique, apply water, weten the circle, and then fill the color. This time I am using pink color and blue color for the bubble. Make sure you are using negative space in between bubble. Let me show you how it goes when you do not apply much water. So as you can see, it is not spreading well, so that's why water is needed, but you can also spread it later with the help of water, but sometimes you might not able to spread it properly. That's why wet on wet technique is better than this one. Dark shade, light shade in between, and then this time I'm keeping the cap and the string towards the right side so that it should look like it is tilted towards the right side. One closed loop, and repeat the same thing for the second one. These are very simple greeting card. Even if you don't have time, you can paint these easily. So try it once and let me know how you feel about these greeting cards. Now add berries like we did in the first one. Do not forget to add negative space in between. Combination of red and orange. You can also use yellow if you want. And then with the help of green color, add stems and leaves. Start with the lighter shade and then finish with the darker. I'm adding 1 stroke leaves in here. You can add pine leaves, soli leaves, whatever leaves you like. You can do a little bit of overlapping with the bubbles as well. And then with the help of metallic color, add 1 more layer into the bubble. If you don't have metallic color, avoid this particular step. And then with the help of yellow color, add one stroke in between to make it look like it is yellow flower, and then repeat the same process with the red color also. And sprinkle some yellow color and some red color. And we are almost done with the second one as well. Write something in here. So I'm hoping this video is helpful for you guys. Do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and thank you so much for watching my videos. See you guys in the next video.